I'm Carolyn Hines. Welcome to Amsterdam. I'm here for ISE 2019. I'm here with John Henkel, Director of Product Marketing at RGB Spectrum, and John is going to tell me what's new.
Great, Carolyn. So we have several new things here at ISE 2019. One of them is our Galileo Display Processor, and specifically the encoder functionality. So we have a new card for Galileo. Galileo is a very flexible product line for different inputs, different outputs. This new card takes physical inputs, DisplayPort inputs, also encodes H.264 streams and decodes them on the same card. So that allows us to encode the entire video wall for what we call wall mimic. So if you want to see the video wall somewhere else, maybe on your phone or something else, you can now encode that entire video wall and send it across your network and stream that somewhere else to a different location. That's something really cool and new for the Galileo wall processor. Second thing is our new control module. So we have something called the KM module, keyboard and mouse module. So if you want to control remote computers, often customers don't want us to be on their corporate network as the same network as the computer. So this device allows you to separate us from their network. So we plug in via USB port on that PC or Mac, and then you give us high quality video out to the Galileo, and this device controls the keyboard and mouse through the Galileo interface. So Galileo is really easy to set up for one thing, but integrates with the corporate network and gives you a lot of flexibility. So we have AV over IP solutions, our Zio platform, that now integrates tightly with Galileo. So Galileo allows you to see that Zio network. So you have encoders, decoders, multi-viewers that are part of the AV over IP solution, H.264 devices. Those can be used in the Galileo control room or whatever environment the Galileo is installed in. We'll see them automatically, and you can then bring those Zio sources, beam them across the campus or even different cities. Because our Zio product line bridges LANs or local area networks and WANs, the wider area networks as well. So you can use those Zio devices to encode streams from anywhere across the world, basically, and then stream them across the network and bring them into Galileo to decode on your video wall. Galileo and Zio work really well together. So you're seeing the Galileo in a rack somewhere, but then you're able to bring content in from outside the ecosystem of that room and bring it in and also push content out. So with the Galileo, you can put up to 56 outputs on a single display. You have a large video wall, or you can have multiple video walls. So we can have a small wall here, and a different room can have a larger wall. They can all be different surfaces controlled from the same control station. We can send any part of that across the network to a mobile phone for a Zio, or to a different network in a different building. All those things can be controlled centrally by the Galileo processor.
Well, thank you so much, John.
Thank you, Carolyn.
And have a great show.
Thanks so much.